Yes, guys, so wife in the kitchen this morning. How you cook? Huh? You don't know, you have some pop chow and cabbage. You have some yellow yam in that pot over there, so. Eh? Many people them so are going. And some carrot. So she'll make some steamed veg, steamed callaloo, steamed pop chow, cabbage. You know, all them good stuff there. Yeah man, some thyme in it and everything there. So I go in that pot. Yellow yam, sweet potato. You know, get better than that, you know. Early morning vibes with the pot, you know. Yeah man. Drop in the thyme. Big chef, you know. Chef DeAndre in the kitchen. Yo. Yeah man. I'll mess with you. So what's that?
Here we have some ground ginger.
Yes sir. You blend it up.
Yeah.
Alright.
And we have everything pre-cut up.
Yes guys, our mom already have everything prepared and ready to go, you know? Cause she's always on the go, so yeah man. So you have the ginger, right, that's all. Yeah. Everything are going on, you know, everything in one. Yeah. So this is the callaloo right here. And it's a little bit frozen, but we'll drop it in our pot same way. We have a scotch bonnet pepper right there, so see it there? Yeah man, lovely. Everything is fresh, natural, you know? Always fresh in Jamaica, yeah man. So hurry up and deal with the food, you know, cause you know say, a breakfast time. Yeah, yeah man, so she are dropping some of the renta yam, you know? Yes, renta. If you don't know about renta yam, you need to come to Hanover. Yeah man, come check it out. Yeah man. Back up your pot. Yes guys, yes, what's going on again? You know, breakfast was amazing, you know? Right now we're about to touch the road, you know? We'll go down on the Negril beach and take a dip in the water and see what's going on, you know? Yeah man. Yes guys, so right about now we're on the way to Negril. Yeah man, go check out one of them little new beach spot there. Yeah, why beach spot name?
Jam West Beach.
Jam West Beach. Alright, yeah, so we'll check out Jam West Beach and see what's going on over there. Yeah man, take a little wash off. You know you can't come to Jamaica and go in the water. Yeah. Yes guys, so we're there, you know, there up on the beach, there up on Jam West Beach, Negril. Yeah man, and I tell you the place nice, place beautiful, you know. We just had some rum punch, you know, me and wifey had some rum punch, you know. Yeah, but if you can see in the background, place nice. Might be smudging there right now because today's Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday, so you know say we're like one of the first couple people there still, so you're not really busy right now, but it's a nice beautiful place, you know, beach to come hang out at and drink, you know, have some drinks and some Jamaican food and everything there. Yeah man, but so if you're in the area, check it out. If you come to Jamaica, come on Negril, come check them out. Yeah man, Jam West Beach, Negril. Yeah man, it's a new spot, nice, you know. Yes guys, so we are going to the water right now. Water warm and nice. So I'll go and put the camp. for the YouTube camera. Huh? Water cool and nasty, nasty, man. Oh, God. Yeah. Yeah, guys. When I water right about now, yeah. Yeah, guys, I was saying when I water and ooh, that's a feel kind of, I feel seaweed there, someone. Yeah, feel different. Yeah, like some of seaweed they're right over there. Yeah. Yeah, I think some seaweed out there, so like right there, so over the side. Yeah. Wow. No man, water nice. But today, guys, the water is not as clear as usual because so rainfall the other day and it was the water went rough yesterday too and the day before. So Monday and Tuesday water went kind of rough. So I think that's probably one of the reasons why the water not too crystal clear right now. Or it's probably the location where we at. Not sure, but yeah, the water nice. Otherwise, you know, not too cold. Whew. Yeah, guys. Whew. Yeah. Once your body submerged in the water, you're good. You see me I say? Yeah, man. It's a nice feeling right now. I love Jamaica, guys. What can I say? You see me I say? So them people, yeah, them people, guys, they're afraid for water, you know. Afraid for water. They're afraid for the water. Yeah, man. So, guys, look here. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful day, you know. What other way, what better way to celebrate it than just, you know, which other way to spend the day than just come in the water and come enjoy the beach, drink a beer, a red stripe, you know, drink some rum punch, you know, the Jamaican way, and eat some jerk chicken, some escobeach fish. Yeah, man, ackee and saltfish, all them thing there. Yeah, man, cause like I said, guys, if you watch the beginning of the video, we started off by eating some steamed veg, you know, some fish, some boiled yam, some yellow yam, and some renta yam, and everything there, sweet potato. Yeah, and then we headed out, you know, towards the beach. Yeah, so right now we're at Jam West Beach, Negril. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Yes, guys, so this was a pretty quick video, you know, because we go on Negril and, you know, go in the water, eat some food and everything there, and enjoy ourselves. And it's a short video, nothing fancy or crazy. You know, we came back home, no wife here, wash up some clothes, you know. Real Jamaican style, old school style, you know, because people don't wash with hand again, you know. People use washing machine now, you know. So, yeah, man, but you can't tell she's a real Jamaican, a real country girl. Yeah, man. Hey, if you want a Jamaican girl, find yourself a country girl. Yeah. Yeah, man. If you enjoyed watching this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Peace.